Let's make photo collage in Photoshop. I'm creating a new project, selecting here inches and project width 50 inches and height 50 inches, and just creating my project here. Now go to view and enable rulers and add a vertical ruler to your project center point. Add a horizontal ruler to your project horizontal center point. After that, add a blank layer, select the mark hue tool, and then select your grid first bird, and then click on this foreground color and select a color from here, and from your tool you have to select the paint bucket tool, and here make sure to select foreground. Now click on your first bird to apply the color. Now to deselect this selection, press Ctrl D. Again add another layer, select the mark hue tool, this time select your second bird, select the paint bucket tool and change your foreground color. Click on your second bird, press Ctrl D to deselect, add another blank layer, select mark hue tool and go ahead and add two more birds color. Once you successfully added your 4 birds color, now select the first layer, go to file, click on place embedded. From your computer, select your first image to open. Once the image opened, resize the image and adjust the image just like this, and then click on OK. Now right click on your image layer and just click on create clipping mask, and then select the second layer, go to file, same way click on place embedded, select your second image, resize and adjust the image, click on OK, right click on your image layer, create clipping mask, select the 3 layer and do the same thing. Now it's time to add border. So add a new blank layer and select the mark hue tool, select your entire grid, right click inside of the grid and click on stroke. Stroke I'm giving here 70 pixel and color I'm selecting a border color, and location select inside and just click on OK. And here you can see the border added. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Again add another blank layer, and from your tool you have to select this single column mark hue tool and just click on this vertical ruler to select a ruler. Now right click inside of this selection, stroke, and location select center, click on OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Again go to your tool section and this time select this horizontal line and just add a horizontal line, right click inside the line, stroke, center, OK, press Ctrl D. And now select the selection tool and move your rulers, and this is the final photo collage.